Welcome to Tech Tips by Technion. I'm David Baldwin. In this video, I'll use Tableau to create a stacked bar chart using the sample Superstore dataset. You can download the workbook associated with this video via the below link. I'll place segment on the column shelf, sum of sales on the row shelf, and region on the color shelf. Now I have a stacked bar chart where the different colors represent the different members of the region dimension. But let's say I'd like to create a stacked bar chart that stacks measures instead of members of a dimension. The sample Superstore dataset does not have any measures that would necessarily make sense to stack, but we'll do it anyway and then explore a scenario that will make the resulting visualization valuable. I'll click on the Stacked Bar 2 tab and place segment, once again, on the column shelf and sum of sales on the row shelf. But this time I'll take profit and place it on the sales axis. Notice that Tableau deploys measure names and measure values, where measure names is filtered to display only sum of profit and sum of sales, such as can be seen on the measure values shelf. I'll place an instance of measure names on the color shelf and then remove measure names from the column shelf. The result is a stacked bar chart. As mentioned previously, this isn't particularly useful. After all, why would I place profit on top of sales? But let's explore a scenario that can be useful. I'll click on Analysis and turn Stack Marks off. Now the height of the bars represents the total sales value, and the blue color represents the profit portion of the total. I can make this even clearer via Analysis, Create Calculated Field. I'll call the calculation Profit Ratio. The calculation will be the sum of the profit divided by the sum of the sales. I'll click OK and adjust the formatting of the new calculated field by right-clicking on it and selecting Default Properties Number Format. I'll adjust the number format to be percentage with 1 decimal place and then click OK. I'll place the profit ratio on the label shelf and observe profit ratio numbers as well as a visual representation of profit ratio. Be sure to check out the next video in this series where I'll cover the bar and bar chart. For more tech tips, check us out at technionusa.com or the Technion YouTube channel.